Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit videos in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Play Store. Now to edit videos in your Android phone, you have to download a third-party apps. Just tap on search bar and then type for CapCut. Then tap on CapCut, then tap on install. Now CapCut will be downloaded and installed automatically. You don't have to do anything. So just give it a moment to download it. And the download is complete. Now just open CapCut. Then tap on agree and continue. From here tap on skip. Now here at the bottom you can see edit option. Then just tap on edit. And here it is. Now CapCut is ready for use. CapCut is the best video editing app for your Android phone. Now if you tap on new project, then tap on allow, then tap on turn on notification, then just allow it, then go back, and here it is. Now CapCut is ready for use. From here you can edit your videos. You can learn how to edit with CapCut by watching other tutorials. And that is how you can edit videos in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.